How's it going, everybody? This is Vic LaPlaca here with MarineMax Sail and Ski in San Antonio, and today we're going to go on this walkthrough of this beautiful 2016 270 Sea Ray Sundeck. We have a nice Admiral navy blue on the exterior with the gunmetal metallic accent, white top cap, white hull bottom. This boat does include a nice aluminum Magnum tandem axle trailer, the upgraded wheels, full LED lights, windlass anchor, very nice piece of work by Sea Ray here. White tower to flow with the look of the boat. We do have trim tabs. Very nice for stabilizing the boat from listing in one direction if you have too many people on one side. This boat is equipped with the Bravo 3 Merc Cruiser lower unit. Drop down swim platform there, so if you don't want to be fully submerged in the water, you could easily be just sitting. Stows away very nicely. And of course your transom boarding ladder there that stows away very conveniently. Stainless steel hardware. This is a beautiful boat here. Makes for a great day on the water. Plenty of friends and family. Taking a look at this beautiful 270 Sundeck. We'll see on the transom area here we got a nice large seating. Beautiful upholstery. Diamond stitching in the center. Gray top. Brown piping and accents around the perimeter. This boat is equipped with the drop-down platform. Gets you in the water a little bit further. Transom stereo remote, freshwater washdown as well. Little wet storage, second as a cooler there. Making our way into the cockpit of the boat here. You'll see that we have the nice snap-in flooring. Very durable stuff. Gives a little bit of padding on the feet. Sea Ray continued the nice color combination of the upholstery to the inside of the boat. Behind the port side, you'll see here that we have the tabletops and plenty of storage. The table bases go mounted, one back here in the cockpit area, along with a second one in the bow section seating. These backrests do go forward or backwards, giving you more of a lounging setup, if that's what accommodates you. Behind the driver's seat here, pop this up and we have a little bit more storage along with the cooler out of the way. If you look right here, you'll see below most of the seating inside the cockpit, Sea Ray does have nice interior courtesy lighting. Really illuminates the inside of the boat. Same goes for the backrest on the driver's side. That whole lower base does slide forward or backwards, so if the driver would like to be a little bit closer, levers down below. Pop-up bolster seating on both sides there. This boat is equipped with Rockford Fosgate speakers, top of the line stuff. Only thing to expect with the Sea Ray. Little dry storage with the lock in here. Cup holders on the top of the door that lead us down to a little bathroom area, a little sink, light. Also seconds for plenty of storage, towels, float, toys, those kind of things. Sea Ray went with the nice leather wrapped steering wheel, stainless steel centerpiece. We got the Ray Marine electronics along with your Merc Cruiser SmartCraft Sea Ray gauges there. Can digitally display multiple things. You have your miles per hour over here. All your main toggle switches, nav lights, cockpit, docking, so on and so forth. Horn. Start, stop. Water pump, blower, anchor, windlass. Of course, you can also start and stop the boat from the throttle. Trim as well. Little side console storage there. Phones. You do have another 12-volt lighter plug-in down below. Underneath the console here, we have the Fusion head unit. Very nice. USB, auxiliary plug-in, another 12-volt. Plenty of storage space in here. Beautiful helm design by Sea Ray. Brown leather dash. Can't forget the compass there. Another cool little feature that makes this boat stand out is the wind dam there. So if you're out in a nice fall afternoon, it's a little breezy, want to keep the amount of wind coming through the cockpit to a minimum, you can go ahead and set the wind dam, close the windshield, or you can have it open, and the wind dam simply folds away very nicely into the walkway, staying out of the way. Second ski locker up here. Cup holders. Fold down armrest for the bow seating. Bow speakers. Of course, Rockford Fosgate. Nice stainless steel bow rail there. Give you something to hold on to if it's a little bit choppy on the water. And then of course plenty of storage underneath both port and starboard bow seats with drains. Have your anchor. Motor located here. Manual crank also. Cleat to tie off. Very convenient. And of course the nice Bimini Tower Gives us plenty of shade here in the cockpit of the boat. Still gives you a tow pylon. Couple courtesy lights built into the tower frame. Does fold down. Very elegant design. Elegant boat. This is something that'll really stand out on the water. Lots of space for friends, families, pets. Thanks for coming on this walkthrough with me. If you like this boat or any other boat in our inventory, please feel free to give me a call or stop by one of our stores, Austin, San Antonio, or Lakeway.